Emu Casino has a quite comprehensive sign-up form. You'll need to enter your email, password, and some optional social media communication channels. And on the next page, leave your personal details including your postcode and cell phone number. Once signed up, you can then enjoy Emu Casino's 2 welcome bonuses: a no-deposit bonus in the form of free spins, and a deposit bonus. 12 free spins for the Eddie Dundee game will be granted to you when you sign up. You'll receive an email with the registration link you need to follow to claim the offer. It has a wagering requirement of 30 times and a maximum cash-out limit of €15. Only players from New Zealand, Canada, Germany, Netherlands, and Norway are eligible for this offer. The other welcome offer comprises 3 deposit bonuses. For the first deposit, players from New Zealand and Canada can claim a 200% match bonus up to €100. Players from other countries are eligible for a 100% match bonus up to €100. A 50% match deposit up to €100 is available to New Zealand players for the second deposit. Other players can claim a 25% match bonus up to €100 when they deposit for the second time. Finally, the third deposit bonus is an 80% match deposit up to €100 for New Zealand users and a 50% match deposit up to €100 for other players. This offer has a 45 times wagering requirement. Also, on a monthly basis, you can expect new promotions and benefits for players based on the time of the year. So at the time when this video was made, March Exclusives offers players an opportunity to match up their deposits up to 100% and 150%. Emu Casino also organizes casino races and special birthday giveaways. Moreover, you can collect Emu points and win free games, extra bonuses, and cash prizes. Before claiming the bonus, check the casino's terms and conditions. Play responsibly.